Happy Father's Day from Savvy Kids Finance. Today, we have a special message for all the amazing dads out there. We appreciate everything you do and hope you have a fantastic day filled with love and joy. For our young savers, we have an exciting new assignment: creative crafts that teach kids about currency. Here are a few ideas to get started. 1. DIY piggy banks. Create your own piggy bank using household items and learn the importance of saving money. 2. Coin sorting games. Make a fun game out of sorting different coins and learn to identify their values. 3. Currency collage. Use images of different currencies from around the world to create a colorful collage and learn about global money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's free and helps the channel grow to provide you and your family with value based on our content. Like, share, comment, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our future videos. Happy crafting and happy saving!